Learn to listen to Scottish Gaelic sentences and ask follow-up questions to reaffirm or question what has just been said. Here is an example. Listen to the full text first. The topic is playing outside, a cluiche a-muigh. Chluich mi a-muigh go tríoch nuair a bhaimí na bóige. Choisig sin gan taigh a charideagamsa gus cluich sa ghara gachge. Chai sin amach cum féimi jos a gøye. Bavist gain cynniuchig as Jane a scola agus ag an jéireg hiachcin. Vimmet cluich li rochpen an spálichen. Saun conri mo charage na siar a chluich mi a buvoa. Se Angela agus Elaine na hennemen na vora. Before you listen to the same text again, let's go over the main words you will hear in the sentences. Listen out for these. Na bóige, tai, garig, osa gøye, cynniuchig, ropen in spálichen, a siar, na hennemen. Listen to the text again and put a mark next to those words once you hear them. Chluich mi a-muigh go tríoch nuair a bhaimí na bóige. Choisig sin gan taigh a charideagamsa gus cluich sa ghara gachge. Chai sin amach cum féimi jos a gøye. Bavist gain cynniuchig as Jane a scola agus ag an jéireg hiachcin. Vimmet cluich li rochpen na spálichen. Saun conri mo charage na siar a chluich mi a buvoa. Se Angela agus Elaine na hennemen na vora. Now you should be able to form a couple of questions. For example, Cuinne chluich a-muigh? The answer is chluich mi a-muigh go tríoch nuair a bhaimí na bóige. Second question. Cáiteann do chluichu? Notice that cáit is followed by the question form of a verb. The answer, chluich mi a-muigh. Cáiteann deachu? Chai sin amach. Or you can say chai mi amach because the question refers to u. Another question. Carsonna chai siv amach? Why did you go out? Well, chai sin amach cum féimid os a gøye. Instead of making a literal translation, have a look in the dictionary to see if there's any nice idioms you can use to express what you want to say. Find the most important word that you're going to use, something that will not have many answers in the dictionary, something that's not very common, and then just scroll through the list of options. What kind of sentences could you use? What kind of expressions? The answer was chai sin amach cum féimid os a gøye. We just went outside to get a breath of fresh air. Another question. Dé bavist gaibh a dhéanamh? Bavist gain cynniuchig as Jane a scola agus ag an jéireg hiachcin. Dé chluichig sibh leis? Well, vimmet cluich li rochpen an spálichen. Now that was a safe answer using the verb to be in the conditional tense. Remember, using the verb to be is always a fallback. If you are very strong in using the verb to be, you will never get stuck. You could, of course, have answered with the verb a cluich in the conditional tense, and it would be chluichemid le rochpen an spálichen. Notice your long vowels. Có chluich conlerí a buvoa. Sa'n cónlaí mo charige na seaar a chluich mi a bhuvoa. Sound used for a bit more emphasis. Che na hennemen na vora. She Angela agus Elaine na hennemen na vora. Now you could also answer with ahora. You don't know if these people are still alive or not. If you use avora, it might imply you know that they are no longer alive. And that's it. Listen to the text a few times. Make your questions, get used to answering. These were all positive questions. You can also turn them into negative questions where needed. Here are some examples of negative questions that will elicit a yes or a no answer. Nach do chluich a-muigh. Chluich, cha do chluich. Nach do chluich cónlaí do charigin. Chluich. Nach chluichig sibh leis na bailíchan. Chluichig. Chluichimid leis na bailíchan. Remember that in the conditional tense, you can only have a verb in the yes or no answer. There cannot be a pronoun in it. So, chluichig, full stop, chluichimid, leis na bailíchan. Another way of asking somebody to reaffirm what they just said is using the construction an tuirstú. Did you say? For instance, an tuirstú gon do chluich a-muigh. An tuirstú gon deach sibh amach. An tuirstú gon do chunnich sibh as dé na scoile. You can try a few more. So here are plenty hints and tips to learn to ask questions back after listening to somebody in a conversation. Try it.